Bismillah. So, guys, we are talking about mice. She leaves her school at 3:05 and she arrives home at 3:25. So, how many hours and minutes does she need in order to reach or to arrive at home? Or to how long does it take mice to get her home? Okay, from the school. So now let's discover, guys, here from 3:05 to 3:25. This is 3 o'clock, 3:05, 3:10, 3:15, 3:20, 3:25. Great. We want to find how many minutes and hours do I need to make this time like this time. How many minutes does it take Mace to reach home or to arrive her home from the school? She leaves the school at 3:05 and she arrives her home at 3:25. So how many minutes does she need in order to arrive home? This is the question. And how many hours? Since you have it 3:05, she leaves school. She leaves her school at 3:05 and she arrives her home at 3:25. So we are in the same hour. So she needs minutes to arrive her home from her school. Okay? So let's know how many minutes does she need? 5 minutes. Did I reach or did I get 3:25? Not yet. Another 5 minutes. We have 10 minutes now so far. Did I reach 3:25? Not yet. Okay, another 5 minutes. We did not reach 3:25, not yet. And another 5 minutes. Okay, so in total, so far you have 25 minutes. Did you reach 3:25? Yes, we reached 3:25. We made this time like the required time, which is the time of reaching home or arriving home. So it's 3:25. How many minutes did you need? Look, let's check it again. From here, from 3:05, I moved for 5 minutes, another 5 minutes, which are 10, another 5, 15 we have so far, another 5, we have 20 minutes exactly. So the answer is 20 minutes. This is the elapsed time that Mice needs in order to get her home back or to reach her, to arrive, uh, in order to arrive her home, okay? To arrive her home. Great. So great. Okay. We have different questions here. Find the elapsed time. We remember and we remind that if we hear the word elapsed time, that means we want to know the time between two given times. So here, number 13, you have 6:05. How many minutes and hours do I need in order to get 6:25? And both are in the same timing period, which is AM. So what should you do, guys? What you are supposed to make in this way? 6:05 and 6:25. Look, you want to make like this from 6:05, which is like this. This is 6:05. This is 6:05. As you see, we want to make it 6:25. Okay, so how many minutes and hours do I need? Look, since we are talking about the same hour, 6:05 to 6:25, we are in the same hour, so you should not care about how many hours. Actually, you will move in minutes in order to make it from 6:05 to 6:25. So let's count. This is 6:05, 5 minutes, another 5 minutes. So far, we have 10 minutes, another 5 minutes to reach 25. So we have 15, and then another 5 minutes. Oh, I got 6:25. So I needed how many minutes? 20 minutes exactly. So here, the time is 20 minutes. Why just minutes? Because we are in the same hour. Okay, we did not move it from 6 to 7. I mean 6:05 to 7:25. No, we are in the same hour. Since it is the same, guys, we have to count how many minutes do we have from 6:05 to 6:25, and the answer is 20. And notice that this number that you got, the number of minutes that you got, which is 20, it is the same of the difference between 25 and 5. So it's like 5. How to get to 25? How many minutes do I need? How many minutes do I need in order to get 25? And I should start from 5. 5. I need another 5 minutes. I need another 5 minutes. I need another 5 minutes. In order to get to 25, I need 20 minutes.